Plant FAQs. Angiopteris evecta, King Fern. The imposing King Fern, a gardener's guide to Angiopteris evecta. For years, my passion for exotic plants has led me down fascinating paths. One such path brought me face to face with the Angiopteris evecta, also known as the King Fern. Its majestic size and prehistoric charm instantly captivated me. But beyond its awe-inspiring presence, this fern offered a unique challenge. Could I cultivate this tropical giant in my own backyard? This article delves into the world of Angiopteris evecta, from its origins and imposing stature to the specific care it requires to thrive. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your botanical journey, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to bring a touch of the rainforest into your own space. Unveiling the king. Description and natural habitat. Angiopteris evecta isn't your average houseplant. This fern boasts the title of having the largest fronds among its kind, reaching a staggering 5 to 7 meters, 16 to 23 feet, in length in its native tropical and subtropical regions. Imagine unfurling fronds that dwarf a human. In my experience, these giants can still reach a respectable 2 meters, 6.5 feet, even in subtropical climates like mine. The king fern's imposing presence extends beyond its fronds. It possesses a massive, trunk-like rhizome, the underground structure that anchors and stores nutrients. This rhizome can grow up to 1 meter, 3 feet, in diameter, a testament to the fern's resilience and longevity. Why was Angiopteris evecta introduced to Hawaii? The king fern's natural habitat spans Southeast Asia and Oceania, thriving in the lush rainforests of these regions. However, its journey wasn't limited to its native lands. Human intervention brought Angiopteris evecta to various tropical and subtropical locations, including Hawaii. The exact reasons for its introduction to Hawaii remain unclear. Some speculate it was brought as an ornamental plant, its grandeur a desirable addition to gardens and landscapes. Others theorize it was introduced for erosion control due to its extensive root system. Regardless of the initial purpose, Angiopteris evecta has established itself in parts of the Hawaiian Islands. How to care for Angiopteris evecta? While undeniably awe-inspiring, the king fern isn't for the faint of heart. Its size and specific needs require dedicated care. Here's what you need to know to cultivate this magnificent fern successfully. Light. Angiopteris evecta thrives in dappled sunlight or partial shade. Direct sun can scorch its delicate fronds. Water. Consistent moisture is key. Aim for evenly moist soil, but avoid waterlogging. Regular misting can be beneficial in drier climates. Soil. Rich, well-draining soil with plenty of organic matter is ideal. Consider adding compost or composted bark to provide essential nutrients and improve drainage. Temperature. As a tropical native, Angiopteris evecta prefers warm temperatures, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Protect it from frost and sudden temperature fluctuations. What to plant with Angiopteris evecta? The king fern commands attention, but it can also be a magnificent centerpiece in a well-planned composition. Here are some compatible companions for your Angiopteris evecta. Shade-loving perennials. Hostas. Ferns like the maidenhair fern and bromeliads like bromelia can create a lush understory. Climbing plants. Philodendrons or monsteras can add vertical interest and utilize the support offered by the king fern's fronds. Flowering plants. Impatiens or begonias can introduce pops of color to the composition, as long as they receive sufficient light filtering through the king fern's fronds. The king's legacy, propagation, and potential concerns. Propagating Angiopteris evecta requires patience and specific techniques. Spore propagation is a possibility, but it's a complex process for beginners. Division of the rhizome is a more feasible option, but it should only be attempted on mature specimens and with proper knowledge to avoid damaging the plant. Due to its size and potential invasiveness in non-native environments, Angiopteris evecta is not recommended for all gardens. Research local regulations before planting, especially if you live in an area where it's not native. A final word, the majesty of the king fern. Angiopteris evecta isn't just a fern. It's a living testament to the grandeur of the natural world. With proper care and planning, you can cultivate a piece of the rainforest in your own backyard. The journey of caring for this majestic giant is as rewarding as the final result. Watching its fronds unfurl, witnessing its prehistoric charm unfold in your garden, becomes a source of pride and a constant reminder of the power and wonder of nature. So, if you're ready to embrace the challenge and provide a suitable habitat for this kingly fern, Angiopteris evecta might just be the perfect addition to your own botanical kingdom.